Now guys, what I want you to do there is I want you to go to your app store and type in microbit, micro space bit, B-I-T, and you'll see there the second one down there with the green writing microbit. That's Microbit Educational Foundation. I want you to install that. I already have it installed, and when you have it downloaded and install that app, just hit open, and we're going to look at writing some code, programming. So we're going to say create code. Now when you do that, it brings you in, and we want to say a new project, and we'll just call it getting started. Now it doesn't matter what you call it, but getting started, and I'm going to hit the tick down on the bottom right hand corner. So that's basically the home page. Now I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to drag it and put it in the bin. I'm going to get rid of this and put it in the bin. Now down here at the bottom, I just pressed play there. Here's our microbit. Now at the moment, if I push button A, which is the black dot there, nothing happens. Push the button B, nothing happens because we don't have anything done. So I'm going to minimize that again with the dot here on the bottom right. That button there with a, you know, the minimize button with a circle here and the 4 little corners things there. So I'm gone back out of my microbit, which is a big microchip with some LEDs on it. So up here in the top left hand side, we've got all these menus, but I'm only going to look at basic and input today. So I'm going to drag out here on button A being pressed. So when you press button A, now I'm going to go into the blue menu now, and I want it to say show string hello. So I tipped that to bring it out. I'm going to pop it in there. So now when I press button A, it's going to say hello. So to show you that, push play down at the bottom, maximize that, push button A, and there we have our hello. So I'm going to minimize that, the end button on the right again. So instead of hello, I wanted to say hi. So I hit the tick button down the bottom right hand corner, and I'm going to say play, maximize. Now when I hit button A, it should say hi. So that is coding. So now we're up and running. So to do something else now, I'm going to put in show an emoji, an icon. So bring it out, pop it in underneath, and now it's going to show then, so it's going to say hi and show the love heart. So push play, maximize, push button A, which is the black dot there, black circle. So it's hi and a love heart. So I'm going to minimize that, and I'm going to add something else. So I'm going to put in show number. I'm going to make number 1, and I'm going to say show string again for text, and I'm going to say boy. Oh yes, there's boy. And the last thing there, now I can, if I hit show icon, I can, oh no, it works differently on the computer. You can do that. So I'm going to get show icon again there, and I'm going to just change our icon to one of these here. It doesn't matter, there's plenty of options there, so I'll just go with a sad face or something. So I'm going to just play that program again here now, maximize. So push button A, hi emoji 1, boy, and sad face. I think that's a sad face anyway. So that's our first bit of coding. What I want you to do then is to screenshot this. It should have, oh yeah, it would be good actually guys if you put your name on it. If you said hi, this is, you know, whatever your name, you know, this is John or Pat or whatever. So when you have your code written, because I don't know if you can, yeah, you could possibly screen record it, but I've lost it there now already. So there's my, now that is stored there now. So you'll see there when I got out of that, if I hit stop, which is down here, and I can go back to the home page there and you know, and save you, so you can have lots of different codes saved there. But anyway, so all you need to do there is when you have your code written, screenshot it and then go into Microsoft Teams and upload the screenshot of your code, and I'll be delighted with that.